Yung sili.
Exorcism. Ay, Morales, pag sobra sa sili.
When I have
Pero ang cute.
take me to every party, 'cause I don't know what to do. Mama, baby, say,
Ang gamit.
and she stands
Wala nakakatulog na.
Grabe yung kamit.
meron pala ano dito.
Oh, lol. Ano yun?
Ano ako ng pera niya.
Although it hard.
Talaga ano siya, usable. Ito.
Multi-purpose.
Bye, bakit? Kasi...
Dalawang. Ha?
Sarap ng boses ni Enrique. Doon talaga yung mga girls eh. Gago nun. Nakakaiyak.
Kasali
yung
doon
tanong talaga, lalo na yung mga taga-Mindanao na,
Ano?
kasi hindi na dayo yung anong mga artista, minsan lang siya na may. May tanong ako. Ano po? Pwede mo bang sabihin kung anong feeling maging fan lang?
Sabi Nino.
Kuya. Alam ko na, Kuya. Sobrang hirap ang maging fan lang. Alam ko.
Ay.
Kasi noon pa lang eh, pupunta kami sa mall, may mga artista. Sila Gerald Anderson, sila...
Kimchi.
Hindi ko nakita si Kim Ji. Sino yun? Christine Reyes. Tapos, nawala pa yung cellphone ng Timichi. Yung grupo nila, Enchong, Nori Forever.
Muka, please.
Edward.
Muka, please.
Barrow.
Touch the sky. Think I'm gonna be another day. Buang. Ano buang? Enrique will punch you.
What do you feel?
Ready to die.
You know what? I'm very much happy for you because you... Oh my God.
I'm happy for you.
But that's it. Like the things with like
Very
date and
proud of
stuff,
you,
I
man.
wouldn't want to.
Pero feel ko, Ate May, kung hindi lang na nasa New York si Enrique, he will come here also.
New York? Enrique's in New York.
If he wasn't,
In New York?
Magkasama.
That's like long ass journey. It's a big journey.
4 days, 2 days.
Huh? In New York?
Airplane.
Yeah, that's
Oh!
2 to 4 days journey.
Ha?
Even if it's a
Oo.
private jet.
Hindi na siya makate. Promise.
say no Concord.
Yan kayo.
2 to 4 days Temay.
Yeah.
Private jet.
Love you.
No
Kahit mga private jet.
no layovers and no land or sea vehicles, just plane.
2 to 4 days private plane, mas mabilis pa yun kaysa sa regular plane.
Ano?
Pag regular plane, mga 4-6 days. Ganyan.
Hala.
Pag yung plane na sinasakyan natin, pero yung private plane, 2 to 4 days.
Huwag ka nga ganyan kumain nga. Ito.
Oo.
Lalaki mong tao eh.
Weird.
Laki ng mukha mo, tapos lalo na kumain. Turuan kita, pamamatud ka. Yan.
Anong chichireyan?
Yan. Nga po, diba?
Anong chichireyan?
Dapat alam mo yung kung ano mga...
Oo. Dito magdalo. Pangit.
Paano thank you? Bagay sa'yo. Ha? Yeah. Better. Yeah.
Marco.
Yan.
Okay.
Toothbrush.
Do you have a yellow toothbrush? Kisses. Kisses. Do you have a yellow toothbrush?
Kasi matured na yung face niya.
Matured ng pangit.
Using it to clean the sink.
Manasad na siya, oh. Tudluan, oh. Tamang ano.
Oh. Okay, Christine, you feeling
Gara
alright?
ba yan?
You feeling
Nigara.
alright
Nigara,
after the chili?
yun.
I'm cold.
You're cool.
I'm fine with the chili.
Luti ka tanawon, oy. Oh.
Do you want socks? I have like long socks, like the dry fit.
Litaw
I'm
na
already
ka.
wearing shoes.
Kabata.
It's cold.
They're like big.
Diyos Lord, manyak sa tito.
Later.
Pagka-prom ka, ha?
But I just wanted to slap you.
Probably this.
Diretso ba?
Diretso.
Kaya, be like. Kaya mo to.
Marco, yung saan?
Gumalaw ng ganito. Wow.
Christian, worst thing is, before we saw her,
Thank
we were
you.
all sleeping. All of us.
You can really smell it.
So close. Yung mamay ni Ate Mai. So close. Yung mamay yan. I got it, guys. Got it. No.
Nawawala lahat ng ano. Joke lang.
Yan na yun, di ba? That's it. Hindi pa rin. Hindi pa rin?
Ano?
Yeah.
Parang dato puti.
Puti dati.
Bal, yan yung sauce ng crab sticks.
What? Marco, no. Marco, no.
Bagay sa akin ang pink! Bagay sa akin ang pink!
Bakit? Oh my God!
Bagay ba sa akin ang pink? Pwede ba?
Marco, por favor.
Marco! Sa pogi mo! Madali ka na. Lola!
Lola.
Mas bagay yung ano, yung isang
Bro,
pink.
it's
Yung
understood.
gano'n.
You know, Von Dutch gave me that shirt. I'm like, Sando, no. It is. Yeah,
It's
but
yours, Edward.
yeah, but I gave it to Marco because I don't wear sandals.
Lol, one that gave you sleep.
I know, right?
Hindi ko mainit.
Young, let's go.
What's the ulam?
Springy.
Skringy.
Young,
Split off.
let's go.
Lepa. Scratum.
Scrotum.
Ay, you smelled my pillow. Get out.
Scratum, springy, split pops.
Scratch.
Lang, yung parang kakapagod
Skringy.
din sa...
Skringy.
Saan yung ano? Springy.
Promise, promise, promise. It's okay. I don't know. The great taste. Great taste. I don't know. Niyo ba? Yeah, right? That's mine, huh? Yo, they're all here.
Oh my God, ba't nandyan? Ginagawa ni Ate Liza? May ano ba siya ng coffee? Pwede ba to?
Pwede pa yan. Masarap yung kanin, bay. Sarap yung kanin na yan, Ate May.
Yeah, well, now we gotta wash them, so.
Pwede ba siya ng coffee? Wait, gusto ko yung init eh.
I got it, I'll wash.
Sarap yan, Ate May, yung kanin.
Nescafe yung ano nila.
Grand Tambor!
Ay, oo, Nescafe. Tinago ng stopper. Tapos hindi natin naisip kanina.
Tapos tingnan nyo yung nakabalik
natin nakita yun.
Thank you. Guys, that's safe. Eh.
Ate May, mamaya pairam yung pink ha.
Ha?
Pairam yung pink ha, Ate May ha.
Ah. Yuck.
Hindi, yung pink na yan ha.
Edward, could you reach me the ketchup? Sino pa wala? Ay, wala na wala.
Yun o.
Sa Bogi, yan siya pang bully, Temay.
Hindi, Mike, kahapon pa ako binubuli ni Kisses.
Ito yung Brad. Abangan natin sana.
Nilalagay ko kasi
Sino kulang ng baso?
Woke up the same time as you, Christian.
Pati signs were showing. Di ba kahapon ba yun or may parang day na parang over lang ng clouds yung sun tapos nawala lang